Emotions were charged at a House hearing today on policing practices and policing, touching on several high-profile cases. As Nicole Killian reports from Capitol Hill, lawmakers focused on the role of the federal government in addressing concerns.
We're not anti-police. We're anti-police brutality.
Reverend Al Sharpton testified before a House Judiciary hearing on policing, imploring lawmakers to act.
I'm here for white people and black people and any other people that are victims of excessive force.
Sharpton appeared alongside Gwen Carr, the mother of Eric Garner, who was killed 5 years ago after he was put in a chokehold by a New York City police officer.
How come no one was held accountable? No one was held and charged for my son's death.
Tennis star James Blake said he's lucky to be alive after he was tackled by an officer in a case of mistaken identity.
I actually was under the misguided opinion that this may have been someone coming to give me a hug or a fan in some regard.
Many of the witnesses called for more federal intervention, including training, funding, and legislation to combat the use of excessive force.
I do believe the federal government can play a direct role in helping to create standards.
But some say law enforcement is only doing its job.
There's no one, I believe, honestly, in this country who wants bad actors who do bad things out of the police force more than the police themselves.
Garner's death and the deaths of other unarmed black men at the hands of police inspired national movements against police brutality.
It's easy to point out and say that there's us and there's them, and the reality is there's people on both sides of this issue.
Activists hope Thursday's hearing will be a step in helping repair the relationship between police and the communities they serve.
That was Nicole Killian reporting. Democratic Caucus Chairman Hakeem Jeffries says he plans to reintroduce anti-chokehold legislation and rename the bill in Eric Garner's honor.